Hello, become second year students. So today we are going to discuss regarding different people who are involved in the database design environment. Our database management system consists of database, DBMS, application programs, and users. So who are the users? Who are the people working behind the database structure? Okay. So directly, indirectly, few people are interacting with the database system or involved in the database system. So first question: roles in the database environment. This question or this topic is also called as actors behind the scene hunter. So everywhere it is computerized, we are using, but many people are working in the background. Okay, so that we are getting the information from the database 24 into 7. The database system will provide data access 24 into 7, means 24 hours of a day, right? 7 weeks, 7 days of the week. So database system is accessible 24 into by 7, 24 into 7 or 24 by 7 enter. Okay. So who are the people involved in the database environment first? So there are 5 people, right? Indirectly or directly they are related with the database environment. Who are they? First, DA, data administrator. Okay. Next, first DA and data administrator. Next, database administrator, second person. Third, database designers. Fourth, application developers and end users. Data administrator, the data administrator is responsible for the management of data resources. Right, main data administrator will give. Including database planning, development, maintenance, standard policies and procedures. For example, in the college, if you want to implement database system, okay, so principal madam, for example, or management will give all the information regarding the database design, staff details, student details. Okay, everything will be given by the data administrator. Okay, the person who is fetching the and providing the information from the organization. After data enter, we can create the databases. Next, database administrator. Already we discussed sometime with the DBA. One or more persons, okay, right, called DBAs, is responsible for the physical relation of the database. Data administrator give the information. This many staff is there, these many people are working, these many branches. But data administrator is sort of physical relation of the database. Actual database design will be done with the physical database there. So database administrator, original database in the bank, for example, will be created by the DBA with the help of database designers. In a chapter, DBA will supervise, will guide the database designers. So the database will be created and the data is going to be stored. Okay. Not only database this implementation, last time we discussed security, implementation, integrity control, maintenance. Okay, or advantage of DBA చెప్తున్నాము కదా, అవన్నీ కూడా డేటా అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు, డేటాబేస్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇన్ సమ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ for some organization, DA and DBA both are same. Okay, sometimes it says DA and DBA, data administrator, database administrator, both are same. Next, database designers. So 3-level architecture we have: conceptual schema, external schema, and internal schema. So logical database structure will be designed by logical database designers. Okay, so they are concerned with the development of the logical database system, gathering the requirement, okay, having the blueprint, providing the database structure. Like engineer will provide the database structure, what are the tables, what are the columns, and all this. Physical database designers will directly store the data by creating the databases and tables. Okay, so data designers, application developers. Okay, so they will create the applications for the database system, mobile banking application, mobile banking password, digital passbook. Okay na? So shopping app from the bank, so like that it will be. So last people, end users are the clients who will use the database. Bank lo the customers end users అవుతారు. Airtel database for example, customers are the end users. End users can be classified into two types again. The clients are the people who will be working with the, who want the data from DBMS 24 into 7 are the clients or the end users. Native end users, sophisticated end users. Okay. So native end users, they don't know anything regarding the database structure, computers or near, just they will use blindly, they will follow and they will do. Sophisticated user will have some training. Okay. They will be given manuals, they will be given certain app, some videos, so that how to use, okay, database applications, database system, how to, right, like that they are called sophisticated users. Okay. So these many people are there, and these are the people environment, work in the database environment. I repeat, data administrators will provide the actual data of the organization to the database administrator. DBA, database administrator, is the person responsible for entire database system. Okay na? So security, passwords, authorization, okay na, integrity constraints, all the database advantages will be covered, will be considered with the database administrator. DA, DBA sometimes will be referred as same in some organizations. Database designers. Okay, DBA may not make the database, may not create the database, but database designers, programmers will create the databases. Like that, application developers, some wing, some people will be there for developing the applications itself. End user, the people who are working in the database design. Okay, right? So if you know the question, okay, you can go with the other question. The roles and responsibilities of the database administrator. Okay, so the printed copy nagar ledu. Okay, snapshot of book is there. Okay, if it is not clear, I will send the book snapshots. This is your senior's data. I would have printed for this one. Okay, next question, roles and functions of database administrator. Roles of DBA. Okay, so DBA, just now we discussed who is DBA అనేది. So is also called data administrator, data architect, information center manager. Okay na? Is a person, a high level function responsible for the overall maintenance of data resources, okay, in an organization. Okay, higher person in the database system is DBA, the persons. If you take database administrator, okay, directs or performs all the activities related to maintaining a successful database environment. కాలేజ్ నడపాలంటే ప్రిన్సిపాల్ కావాలి కదా. ఓకే, a team will be led by the captain. So like that, a DBA is nothing but the captain, head of the database system, so that good database environment will be set up and in use. In order to perform the right activities, the DBA must know a good deal of system analysis and programmers, and it's expected to stay familiar with the emerging technologies and new design approaches. Okay, so DBA should have aware of everything: software, hardware, new technologies, customer needs, organization needs. Okay, so should know, you should aware of security also, security concerns also should aware of. Ivanni undali aniki. Next, there are different types of DBAs. So in different organization, different DBAs will be there. Administrative DBA, development DBA, data architect DBA, data warehouse DBA. Okay, so next, the roles and responsibilities, headings. The general responsibility of DBA are the headings. Okay, so keep citing the general responsibility of DBA. Database designing, database implementation, maintaining the database system, establishing policies and procedures, database security, backup and recovery, and training the users. Okay, so go through the headings. Already we discussed all these things. Database designing. Okay, so conceptual modeling of 3 levels chadavandi, ade database designing. Database implementation. So First designing, then implementation, making the databases, installing the DBMS setup, all these things. Maintaining database system. So database system will be there. Okay, your data will be available 24/7 చెప్పారు. Servers will be maintained. Okay, bank or ATM can visit 24 hours, it will be replying. Okay, call for a number, bank given number, this call to a number, always it will be showing. Check your mobile balance 24/7, it will be showing. So like maintaining the database system. Okay, right, forever. Establish policies and procedures. So some kind of policies, rules will be implemented by the database administrator. Bank at the bank, organization the organization. Okay, no? Software company means software policies. And security already discussed, authorization and other thing. Okay, so protecting the data from the hackers. Backup and recovery already discussed, backup recovery and advantages చెప్పాము. Backup means what, recovery means what. Training the users. So when new technology arrives, so when new applications are designed, so everybody should be trained. End users కు train చేయాలి, programmers, database designers, everybody should be trained. Okay, so when a software is designed, bank people will have training how to use the menus, how to log in, how to make the biometric verification. Okay, where to save, where the data is going to be saved, how to download the files, how to provide customers with the given data. So like training the users. So these 7 are the roles of the database administrator. This question is important, so add these 2 questions, roles in the database system, and write the DBA responsibilities, these 7. First write the people in the database environment, 5 people. Then who is DBA, write down types of DBA and responsibilities of the DBA. Okay, so this topic is finished. Okay, once go through the syllabus so that you may understand. Okay, this topic is over or not. Okay, visit the video and make comments.